All-Star Case Breaks. We're doing Hoops Hobby Basketball for Braden. Well, that one just didn't want to come open. Good luck, man. I'll keep everything. It's like I always say, it's easier for me to do it the same way every time. RJ Barrett rookie. Zero gravity foil. Karl Anthony Towns. Smart purple parallel. DeAndre Ayton out of 199. Legends, Oscar Robertson. There's the Zion tribute rookie. I want to see a Zion auto, just like you guys do. Keldon Johnson hot rookie Sigs for the Spurs. Jeff Teague out of 99. Durant high voltage. Hayes Antone Walker Hoops Inc. Man, this is the Antone Walker autograph case. That's the third one. He was actually a very good player. Steph Curry. Hachimura rookie. Donovan Mitchell out of 2109, road to the finals. Morant rookie. Joel Embiid. Oh, first one of those we've seen. Toronto Raptors Hoops Champions. That's card number 98. Congrats, Braden. That's the first one of those. We hit a 97 of Kawhi. Braden, let me know if you'd like anything else. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually, we're going to pack that up.
Can I go with one of these?
No, this is the FedEx for David. Just, oh, this could go in a box. That's easy. And that's pretty simple. Just put it back in the case. 6 as they fit. Okay. Yeah, man. Sure. We'll ship it to you. It'd be same thing, $8 shipped. It would go in. We would double. Assuming you're in the United States, we would just double or triple pad it in a flat rate bubble. Be happy to ship it to you. It'd be 113 if you want to send. We can try to get it out today. If not, we'll ship it tomorrow for sure. We can always ship sealed wax. Other than I can't ship hockey overseas or to Canada specifically. Yeah, man. Put the order through if you would, and we'll get it out today. Or we'll try. Certainly tomorrow. Braden, good luck. Here we go. Karl Anthony Towns, insert. Jason Tatum action shot. It's a little bit tougher insert, I think. Tyler Hero, nice. Congrats, man. Road to the finals. Steph out of 499. Tony, the simple answer is because that's what Upper Deck says. The more detailed answer, if you really want to know, Hachimura rookie. Because of the exchange rate, hockey dealers in Canada are at a big pricing disadvantage to those of us in the United States. In other words, they just pay way more for the product. Man, I'm trying. RJ Barrett rookie. I'm trying to be a hero, guys. Come on, you know that. I want to pull you good stuff every time. So, basically to protect their dealers in Canada, where hockey is huge, they don't allow us to sell sealed boxes over the border. Gordon Hayward out of 199. Alonzo, legend. Panini may have some restrictions on Far East basketball. I don't, you know. Yeah, RJ Barrett is the best so far, and the hero is probably the second best. Russell Westbrook, backstage pass with the Rockets. There's your Zion tribute rookie. Andre Drummond. Oh, 1/1 artist proof. There you go. Out of nowhere. Congrats, man. That was a good box. Westbrook finals out of 2019. Braden anymore? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just the big top loading any autographs. I'm just sauce sleeving like Morant, Barrett, Hachimura, Hero.
Okay.
Hey Tim. Well man, we just hit an artist proof 1/1. We've hit Barrett and Hero autographs. Curry out of 25. Not autographed. Artist proof. And of course tons of rookies. I mean, they're not short printed, so. Tim, you've been doing well? Yeah, I have more blasters if you want. I also have the snowflake blasters coming, if anybody likes the variation stuff. And I have retail also coming with a 24-pack with an autograph. Probably will be next week, I would guess. Oh, nice. Right, and good luck. Here we go. R.J. Barrett.
So are you kind of new to this, or you've been doing it a little bit, or what?
I was doing it like a couple years ago more, but this time I was
Just for fun, something to do. Alright.
Bull, Morant.
1857.
Zion rookie.
That one's yours. Do you guys want it back?
No, thank you. It's alright.
High
You collect
voltage.
anything?
Zach Levine.
No,
Like
she doesn't really.
Disney, nothing? Okay.
Cam Reddish. We got
So what?
mixed.
She said money.
I have nothing for that. Do you like football?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, man. Free pack.
Thanks. Thanks, man. Have a good
Y'all
one.
have a good one.
Thank you. You too.
Oscar Robertson, the Big O. Andre Jordan. Well, that was kind of funny. Double trays. He's number 1 in the set. Reggie Bullock autograph. James Harden Jam City 7 of 25 artist proof. Nice. Steph Curry action shot. Kevin Hooter. I'm sorry. Good grief. Kevin Durant. We have the Atlanta Hawks on TV, so Joe Kick NBA City foil. Trae Young purple foil. Kevin Porter Jr. for the Cavs. Hot Sigs. Marvin Bagley out of 199. Devin Booker, Spark Plugs. Braden, where to? 246. Sticker. Last one? Okay. Braden, do you want this stuff shipped today? Or you want to let it accumulate? Good luck, Braden. All right. He says last box. See another big hit. Donovan Mitchell, Jam City foil, or NBA City, sorry. Another Zion. Okay. We may be able to get it out today. You're probably looking like 13 medium flat rate on the shipping. Zion rookie.
What a strange looking shot. Vince Carter. Still doing it.
Vinsanity.
Watch this. Well, that's not it.
Nick Claxton, Rookie Ink. McNeil Alexander Walker out of 199. High Voltage Devin Booker. RJ Barrett. Hachimura. Giannis out of 999. First one of these we've pulled. We got next Zion. Nice. Stromile Swift. Hoops Inc. Oh, nice. Finals MVP. That's only the second one of those we've seen. Kawhi Leonard. Kawhi action shot. Braden, thanks, man. Congratulations on the autographs. 1 of 1. You're looking like, what, 4 boxes? 13 to ship. 433. Unless you want some more.